how to level up really fast in Helldivers 2. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can level up really fast in Helldivers 2. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to level up fast in Helldivers 2, you have to follow these steps. First thing that you have to do is unlock the highest difficulty because higher difficulties grant increased XP modifiers. Then go to a bot controlled world and look for a mission type: Blitz, Search and Destroy. After that, equip your team with mortar sentries, EMS mortar sentries, orbital lasers, autocannon sentries, and large scale airstrikes that maximize structural damage. So, when you land, deploy the mortars and start quickly moving to destroy the fabricators. You don't need to kill anything, just get through them quickly. Then, use your stratagems to damage the factories from outside the bot's outpost without having to risk going inside where possible. If you don't feel the need to complete the camps and raise everything, you just need to destroy the required fabricators. Once you're done, immediately go to extract and leave. So that's how you can level up really fast in Helldivers 2. That's all for this video.